So, I have my chicken, sweet peas. Now, they tasted it in the kitchen, and apparently it's really good. So I'm gonna taste it right now. I'm gonna see what it's like. And yes, that's pineapple. I've never seen this done before. I didn't look up anything online. I'm just testing things out. Oh yeah, that first bite with the pineapple. Yeah. These are the best sweet peas I've ever tasted. So, southern style sweet peas that I sort of just came up with, and then I sort of added the pineapple. Alright, it was good. Eat your dinner.